And welcome to our channel. In this video we will discuss about the remaining part of the Robin Murphy's repertory. So let's talk about it. So next one is adaptability. Now we'll talk about it. This repertory can be used for all types of cases where generals are prominent, where clinical symptoms and diagnosis is available, where pathological generals are there, constitutional symptoms are there, and where complete symptoms are available, and where case has paucity of the symptoms. So this repertory can. Now next we'll talk about the method of repertory. Basically for all types of cases this repertory can be used, as I have already talked about it. So from general to particular, in complete symptoms, in pathological generals, and concomitants, clinical rubrics and modalities. So this repertory can be used for the repertorization of these. Now lastly we'll talk about the advantages of Robin Murphy. So this repertory has more than 20,000 new rubrics and 1 lakh new additions. It contains all valuable information from standard homeopathic literature and repertory. It has total 74 chapters, alphabetically arranged. It includes mental disorders, infections, and pathologies in modern nomenclature. It follows 4 grades of the remedies. It has more than 1602 drugs. This repertory can be utilized for repertorizing all types of cases, whether they are pathological generals, whether it's clinical rubrics, whether they are complete symptoms, or from general to particular. So this repertory can use in any types of cases, every type of cases, all types of cases. So this was all about the disadvantages of this. So that's all in this video. We have discussed about the remaining part of the Robin Murphy's repertory, that is adaptability, method of repertorization, and what are the advantages of this repertory. So that's all for today. See you guys in our next video. Till then, stay connected with us for more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe and comment below, and yes, press the bell icon for more updates. Stay safe, stay healthy, and yes, thanks for watching our video.